A couple of days ago, I posted a video of PRRD and PBBM answering questions about impeachment talks against their vice president. And I wanted the audience to, spot the difference. Si PRRD, very clear yung sagot niya. Sabi niya, stop it, lay off. In-emphasize ni PRRD na kahit siya ay heavily criticized by Leni Robredo ay hindi yun sapat na dahilan para i-impeach siya. Makikita sa sagot ni PRRD na binibigyan niya ng importansya ang demokrasya sa ating bansa. Nire-respeto niya ang freedom of speech ni Leni Robredo at vinavalue niya ang stability bilang importanteng aspeto ng gobyerno. Sa isang banda naman, si PBBM ay sumagot tungkol sa impeachment talks against Inday Sara Duterte. Sabi niya, normal lang daw na usapin na nagkakaroon ng impeachment talks, lilipas din daw ito at ito ay minomonitor naman daw niya. Sa sagot ni PBBM, napaka-dismissive niya sa kanyang posisyon. And it is not a very good approach in this kind of situation because magkakampi sila and the Congress is also controlled by a supposed ally, which is Martin Romualdez. Remember, PBBM and Inday Sara were voted as a team. And so, I do not understand why PBBM is very non-committal in his answers. Ba't siya hindi makapag-commit ng suporta kay Inday Sara? And so, I think the answer of PBBM about impeachment talks against Inday Sara gave rise to more questions than answers. Si PRRD, political enemy niya si Leni Robredo. Gayunpaman, very decisive siya. Huwag niyong i-impeach yan. Si PBBM, kakampi niya si Inday Sara, but the best thing that he can offer is to monitor the impeachment talks. So, you be the judge here. Acceptable ba sa inyo yung sagot ni PBBM?